Label makers with their new upgrades these days are pretty expensive. You can get cheap ones, but the results you will get out of them won't do you any good. Now, we took the challenge of finding the best label maker for small business at an affordable cost. Our priorities were something that makes your task easy when it comes to making templates and frames. Plus, the keyboards needed to be great too, so that you can enter the text fast. Label tapes were important too. Finally, we got our 5 label makers that actually met our demands. Watch the video to find their brief details. The first one is Dymo Portable Label Maker QWERTY Keyboard. If you're looking for a label maker that won't cost you much but will do the job easily, then Label Manager 160 from Dymo will be the best cheap label maker for you. Let me catch you up with some of its features. The device uses Dymo D1 label cassette in 1x4, which comes with a roll of black print on white labels. The tape is water resistant and won't fade away in the sunlight. Not only that, this handy has a large LCD with QWERTY keyboards and smart one-touch keys. As a result, you can enjoy quick text entering, editing and customizing without any unnecessary hassles. The second one is Brother Level Maker One Touch Keys. If you're looking for something with a brand image of its own, go with P-Touch PTD210 from Brother. With 14 fonts, 600 symbols, 10 distinctive styles, 27 templates, 10 tape colors, and 97 frames, this is one of the best Brother label maker. Not only that, the one-touch formatting keys can make typing and press printing convenient for you. As there is pattern design and two-line options to you, can generate personal touch in your GIF tags, scrapbooks, etc. The device is portable, lightweighted and comes with CC-D210, an optional storage case where you can store the printer, batteries, tapes, etc. Label maker for small business. Ergonomically designed for ease of use and modern look. Intuitive turn and click label for portability. Batteries, power cord and lithium-ion battery are not included.